So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to make a triangular building in Design Builder. So as you know, you have to do is that press the new building option and feed all the data that is required, and then press OK. You have to wait for a few seconds until the process is done. You can skip this part for 10 seconds if you want. So basically, that we are making a triangular based model. So after the process is completed, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to select the construction line option and you have to draw all the desired lines that you want. So let's say first of all the base is going to be 40 feet, and then you select the midpoint and you draw the height parallel to the y-axis as 45, and then when these two lines are ready, the construction lines these two are ready, then you have to press the new block option, which is right over here, and then let this be as same as you want. You can change the height as per your requirement of the building, and tick the autocomplete block and start from the first point to the second to the third and complete the block. And this is how your triangular block will be made. So as you can see right over here, that the design builder has noted this as a basement block. So to make it as a ground floor, you just have to do is clone selected object and just put it on the first floor. And this is how design builder will make the first floor. So if you don't require the basement block, then you just have to select it and just press delete. That's it. Your triangular block is ready to be optimized and to be analyzed. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it. And thank you.